What's up, guys? Wesley Okerson here. Finally decided to do it. I'm doing a YouTube channel, and it's going to be workouts, home workouts for you guys. We're going to incorporate body weight stuff. We're going to incorporate dumbbells. We're going to do basically everything and anything I can think of that I've done with my clients in the last 20 to 25 years. So I'm excited because I get so many questions all the time online. You know, what do you do for your clients? What are the workouts like? What do you suggest for upper body? So bottom line is this. I'm going to start releasing all kinds of different workouts. I'm not going to stick to one exact plan each time. And I want you guys to be able to feel comfortable doing these workouts, even at a beginner level, intermediate, and we will go up to an advanced level. So I want to kind of include everyone. So it really doesn't depend on where you're starting. I'll regress things back and I'll talk you through it during the video, but I am really excited to do this because it's something I just want to give back to the community and just throw some workouts up there for you guys, and they'll always be free. So excited for that.